Digital Building Technologies at ETH Zürich explores additive manufacturing and computational design in architecture. Their project Airlements uses 3D-printed foam from recycled waste to create lightweight insulated walls. Large-scale additive manufacturing eliminates the need for molds, reducing costs, labor, and resources. The foam components have corrugated textures for increased strength. A cement-free mineral foam is used, adjustable in density and porosity for improved insulation and structural strength. Using a single material allows for future reuse or recycling. Printing each component takes less than an hour, followed by 1 week of controlled hardening. Temperature ranged from 68 to 82.4 degrees Fahrenheit, with relative humidity from 20% to 70%. This approach avoids energy-intensive processing, advancing cement-free mineral foams. Future goals include enhancing load-bearing capacity and fabrication precision in additive manufacturing technology.